Hi friends, I'm here today with my friend Owen, and he's going to help us learn about our new maker kit that's called a MakeyMakey, and it's going to teach us all about electrical circuits and how we can run a computer instead of using the keyboard like we usually do. We are going to use what, Owen?
A circuit, which is this right here.
And then what are we going to connect the circuit to instead of... Can you just show me the different objects?
Yeah, so we have a piece of tin foil and a carrot and a banana and a piece of cardboard and then a necklace. So first I'm going to try the banana. Unchange this, unchange it from this.
So we're going to try to play these bongo drums on the computer by connecting the computer through the MakeyMakey with alligator clips onto different objects and see which ones conduct electricity or not. So here goes.
So you have your clip, your alligator clip, and so you see how right here on the keyboard, I don't know how that just did it without the round cable one, but with your green cable and the earth, you're going to clip it to any other holes you want, open it up, stick them through, and then the packet will come with one of these red clips, and then you will clip the bigger clip with the Wi-Fi signal on it into the computer, and with the smallest plug, you're going to put it into that one right there. Alright, and then with one end of the alligator clip, you don't hold it tightly in your hands, and then...
I already hear a noise.
That's because of the white clip. And I'm going to unhook it on, because we're not going to use it right now. And then, so you see how you have this arrow that's pointing towards that way? On your bongo drums, on your big bongo, you're going to have an arrow that's facing just like that one, which is acting like this one, like your right hand arrow that goes that way. And then you also have one up here towards the screen. And then you are doing, so space is acting like that one. Click is acting like what you have right here. And you're going to take your alligator clip, holding it tightly in your hand. Going to take your banana video clip. You can use whatever clip you want, but this is just the one that I had closest to me. Going to clip it onto, I'm going to do space. Seems like the banana is working. So if you just move it ever so slightly.
It's a little tricky with that banana, isn't it? What if we tried a different object?
Yeah, that's actually a good idea. Alright, so we should try the carrot. Do it right about there, get it nice and firm, grab onto it. Just going to move it so that's not onto there.
If we just tap on it with our finger, there it is. You see that? Tapping on the carrot is making the bongo drum play on the screen.
And then if you, let's try this one and see how the big bongo works.
Ah, that does it too.
Right,
Can we do two at once?
We might be able to. Alright, let's put this onto here. And onto the foil.
Wow. Look at you, you're a drummer. You can have your own vegetable band. I hope you'll come in and check out the MakeyMakey MakerBox, say that 3 times fast, at Port Orford Public Library. All of our new maker boxes are going to be available pretty soon, and you'll be able to check out things for 2 weeks at a time. We can't reserve these items. You have to come into the library to come and take it out. And right now they're only for Port Orford Public Library home patrons. Later on we'll share them with everybody after the summer. So this is part of our Imagine Your Story summer program. I hope you can take part in lots of it because we're having a ball whether we're in the library or at home. So Owen, you want to show us anything else on this before we have to go?
Yeah, I think maybe with this last red table, we can put it onto a clip. And we're going to try the cardboard.
It's fun to try different objects and see which ones work and which ones don't.
Seems like it's working.
Is it?
Let's try and do it off of the carrot.
Yeah, it might have been working because it was hitting the carrot, but I don't know. It's worth experimenting with for sure. So I hope you can come in and check this out and join us in having fun learning about electricity.
I think I actually just got it. No.
Oh, I think you were touching the clip because
Yeah.
your body is conducting the electricity. So much to learn and lots of fun ways to do it. Thank you, Owen. You're a great teacher.
See ya in the next episode.
Sounds good. Bye.